Hi guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I am going to unbox the mini spray. Spray. So this is used to sanitize your gadgets like phone, camera, smartwatch, helmet and other small things. So this side you can see it is written as nano spray. So actually this is China product. So here you can see the specifications. Actually this is made for the skin, but due to this current situation we will be using it as a sanitizer for our gadgets. You can see the output is 5 watt. So the maximum water tank capacity is 30 ml. So charging time it will take around 2 to 3 hours to charge fully. Okay, let us unbox it. Okay, so here you will get the product covered in a case. Let me open it. Okay, so in that cover you will get one machine. Here is USB port. Which is written, which is made in China. So this is the power and power off button, and this is the area where the output the spray will come. So this is the tank where you will fill sanitizer. Okay, let me check what else is there. Okay, you will get one data cable, USB. Okay, so let us keep this aside and let us see how it works. So this is tank where you will fill the sanitizer, and the sanitizer will be in the liquid form, not the gel form. So let us see how it works. Okay, you can see I think the camera is capturing the fog which is coming out here. Okay, 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 so this is how it sprays the sanitizer. You can see. Okay, let us test it on the Gadget. First we will try it on a watch how it will work. Okay, you can see how it is working. No water left on the gadget. Let us see on mobile phone how it will work. Okay, there is no water on the phone and it is not sticky, so you can easily sanitize our devices using this spray. So it cost me $340, which I bought in offline store, and I will put a link of Flipkart and Amazon where you can buy this product. Thank you.